llegar tarde. This is a very, very basic one. This is not complicated. Llegar tarde. We even talked about this phrase a few minutes ago. Llegar tarde means to be late. Okay, so this is a basic phrase that can help you say if someone is late, if you're late, if you will be late, or someone will be late. So it's a good, really good phrase to add to your vocabulary. So llegar, let's talk about the verb llegar. Do you know what it means? Llegar means to arrive, or you can use it, for example, if you're arriving at a place, you can use this, or when you get to a place, we're talking about just arriving, right? Or also when you it can be used in more difficult situations, more advanced situations. For example, if you reach a certain point or state, for example, an agreement, to reach an agreement, llegar a un acuerdo, and so it's a common verb, but the most basic meaning is to get to a place or to arrive at a place. Okay, so this is a very good verb. Tarde means late, or it means afternoon. So buenas tardes, I know you're saying tardes, but it's, again, you're gonna think of phrases, not words. Buenas tardes means good afternoon. Even essentially you're saying good afternoons, tardes, right, plural, but it means good afternoon. Tarde, qué bonita tarde, what a beautiful afternoon. Okay, so tarde means late and also afternoon. Llegar tarde, the whole phrase, means to be late. Let's look at some examples using this phrase. No quiero llegar tarde. No quiero llegar tarde al trabajo. No quiero llegar tarde al trabajo. This means I don't want to be late to work. This is a good phrase. This is a good sentence. Let's break it down. No by itself means no. But when you add a verb right after, conjugated, it means a bunch of things. It can mean don't, will not, depends on the tense, right? Will, won't, don't, didn't. So no is a very good word. And when you say no quiero, that by itself means I don't want to. No quiero. No quiero. I don't want to. Or I don't want something, right? But when it's part of a sentence, well, it's pretty much the same meaning, but you're adding more to it. I don't want to do something, right? No quiero. No quiero. I don't want to do something. If you add a verb right after, then you're going to add it in the infinitive form. Don't conjugate it. So, no quiero llegar. No quiero trabajar. No quiero estudiar. No quiero comer. Okay, so you can use a verb right after no quiero. And llegar tarde is the phrase we're learning. And it means be late. Llegar tarde. Al technically is two words. A él. But we don't have that in Spanish. We have al. So if you're tempted to say a él, don't. Just say al. Okay? And a él means to thee. But Here in English, we just have to. But essentially, you're saying to the work in Spanish. That's the literal translation. But you know, English and Spanish are different languages. Trabajo means work or also job. Tengo un trabajo muy bueno. I have a really good job. Okay? Or voy al trabajo. I'm going to work. So remember that is a good word as well. No quiero llegar tarde al trabajo. I don't want to be late to work. Now, let's look at the next and final example. The last one. No llegues tarde. No llegues tarde. No llegues tarde. This is a good sentence, and it means don't be late. So if you want to tell someone, hey, don't be late. Don't be late. No llegues tarde. Okay, this is informal, by the way. And you would say this to your friend, to someone you're comfortable with, right? You would not say this to your boss or someone you don't know. So it makes sense to have it informal. And we can tell that it's informal because of the conjugation of the verb. If you want to make it formal, you can say no llegue. That's formal. No llegue tarde. You could add por favor, please. Don't be late, please. But let's keep it informal. That's fine. It's good. We are among friends here. So, no means, you say, it means don't. Why? Because we have a verb. We're not saying it by itself. No. We're saying don't, right? So in this situation, no means don't. Llegues, and we have the phrase here. Llegues tarde. Tú llegues tarde. We don't need tú. We can drop the personal pronoun and just say llegues tarde. Be late. No llegues tarde. Don't be late. Okay? You can also say llegaste tarde. Llegaste tarde. Llegaste tarde. That means you're late. Llegaste tarde. You're late. So that's another good one for sure. But remember, this term is great. It's good. It's useful. Llegar tarde means to be late. Okay? The opposite is temprano. Llegar temprano. Oops. You're not seeing the whole thing. Oops, that's worse. Llegar temprano means to be early. To be somewhere early. Okay? Llegaste temprano. That's the opposite. Llegaste temprano. You're early. Llegaste temprano. You're early. So that's the opposite. Temprano is early, tarde is late. So keep that in mind. Now you know two different phrases. Llegar tarde, llegar temprano. Excellent. Do you guys have any questions?